Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson of the Arabic language. This is lesson number 12. Now I've already finished explaining the main alphabets. Before I go to further explanation about special letters, I need to explain more about علامات التشكيل. And if you don't remember what's علامات التشكيل, they are kind of shapes that I usually put above or below a letter to give it a different sound. So a quick reminder, if you can remember which letter is that, I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you got it right or not, but this is the letter ba. The pronunciation is ba, bu, bi, and the sound is b, b. So when we add these, we give it a different sound, so it'll be ba, bu, bi. These are called علامات التشكيل. Again, this is called fatha. This is called dhamma. This is called kasra. Okay, so we have more from these shapes that define the pronunciation. We have something very important that you should know is this shape. It's a small circle. The name is as-sokoun. So this shape is called as-sokoun. What does it do? Well, it gives just it's kind of like a stop on a letter, and you pronounce just the original sound of the letter. So for this letter, which is ba, the sound is b, b, just the b. If you can't say b, okay. Now the thing is that you never pronounce the letter with sukoon when the letter is just alone. Usually it's in a word. So let me explain how does this work in the context of words. So I have some examples here. Let's start with this one. Okay, so if you don't remember what are these letters, quickly, this first one is the letter lam, which the original way of writing is like this. The second one is ayn, and the third one is ba, which we've just seen. So what does this word become? It will be with علامات التشكيل. If we pronounce it correctly, it would be la عي ba. So لعب. The meaning, if you're interested, is he played in the past. لعب. So you can see here there's no sukoon. So I'm going to show you the same word with a different علامات التشكيل, which totally changes the meaning. I'll write the meaning here. This is he played. Okay, here the pronunciation would be lu-ab. Now let me explain first before saying the meaning. How does this work in a word? It's a kind of a stop on the letter, and it usually, because it's hard to pronounce it alone, we usually join it with the letter before it. So when you pronounce, you would say lu and a small pause, then would say both of these letters together, say ab, ab, lu, ab, lu, ab. So the word is lu'ab. Now let me just erase and I'll write the meaning for that. So what does this mean? Okay, so the meaning of this is toys. So see the difference between he played and toys? It's the same word if we remove علامات التشكيل, but it's different when you pronounce it. So to be لعب, he played. لعب, which means toys. So I hope you've seen how the as-sokoun, the round small shape, works. If not, here's another example. This is the word for yellow. The way I read this word, it would be أصفر, أصفر, أصفر. I split the word into two just because I have to stop here and join it with this one. And when I pronounce it, it would be us. Then when I pronounce the second part, it would be far, us, far. See? Now, what's the difference if there weren't? So it wasn't this case. So here I've changed the sukoon into dhamma. Now, the thing is, this word might not have a meaning. I'm not sure. I'm just doing that to show you how the pronunciation goes. Let's see. So this word is as-sokoun. So again, these two are joined together because I have sukoon here, while these two are independent. I say as-sokoun, as-sokoun, as-sokoun. No idea if there's a meaning for that. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so let's continue. So we have two more words here. Just a second. Need to fix this. Anyways. I hope you can see. I'm not sure what happened, but anyway, so we have two other words. And to pronounce this one, I would join these two just to keep in mind. So I would say ha-dan, ha-dan. Okay, let me just, these are the original letters. With the sounds, it would be ha-dan. I hope it's clear. Now I'll change the position of this one. I'll switch it with this one and see how the sound changes. So this word is adan. This word is adna. Adna. Adan. Adna. Adan. Adna. Okay, now I feel stupid. Anyway, Adan is this one. Adan. And this one is Adna. Adna. Okay. Honestly, it's a bit hard to explain, but let me give you one more example before I go, because I'm running out of time. I think it will have to wait until the next lesson. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please rate and comment, and see you next time.